Have you maybe not cleaned your microwave in a while? Well, I know we haven't done it in a while. Ours doesn't look the best, and after a while it really gets sticky on there and you really can't get it off. So I have a really good trick that I learned. You use a lemon. It works really well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is cut the lemon in half. Squeeze out the juices into some water. About a cup of water will do. So you want to make sure that the cup can go into the microwave. It's microwave safe. So squeeze the juice in there. Squeeze that juice in there. And then you wanna put it in the microwave for about 5 to 10 minutes, and the steam will moisten up everything in there, and it'll be way easier to clean, and it'll also make everything smell really good. Okay, now it's done. So we're gonna pull out our lemon. It smells real good. Watch out, the cup might be real hot. And now you see this stuff should come off much easier. See how it comes off real easy? The steam really worked in there and made it much easier to clean. And we are done. Microwave is spotless.